Hey everybody, I've just got an improvement video here that Ben had come up with. So what I just wanted to show you is in Cienapps, we've got two different types of products that we've just learned something. So what we wanted to do is just capture that information and make sure that we use the correct products in the future. So the first one was an ironing board. So if we go into the Cienapps product file and we open up ironing, we can see that we have 4 different ironing boards in here. So the improvement that we made was basically we went into these and we've added some notes that can help us choose the correct ones in the future. So you can see the top line here, it now says our standard, and it says can be installed level with countertop. We see another one here that says not our standard, and we see another one that says not our standard. Basically, the ones that say are not our standard, these are the ones that we don't often sell. We don't know a lot about them. There's going to be a lot of research and development to be able to figure them out. And then the bottom one is one that we also just experienced, and what we've said here is not our standard and cannot be installed below a countertop. So what we found here in this case is if there's a countertop above the ironing board, that it interferes with the countertop, so we're unable to get it to open out past the countertop. So it's just not effective in that type of situation. So now that we put these notes in here, now everybody would know. And on top of that, you can even see, like if we look at this photo, it's deceiving. You know, it almost seems like it should go above the countertop, but in this case, you can look really closely and see that the countertop is actually flush to your drawer fronts below. So it's easy to make a mistake here. So that's where these notes are really important. Another improvement that we came up with was the tilt out for the laundry baskets. So in this case, it's the same kind of concept. Basically, what we've got here is we've put in cabinet sizes in the name. The reason for it, like I'll just open up this bin here, which is our standard. So I'm going to actually just touch on this one first. So basically we have here a tilt-out laundry hamper, 17¼ inch wide cabinet. It's got one bin that's white. This is our standard, and I've put a note here, prefer over the wire basket. So this is the ultimate unit that we'd like to use. It's from Marathon. Feedback from Ben was that the installation was very, very simple. It took just a matter of minutes to put it in, and everything worked really smoothly. So you can see that the name says it all here. There's really nothing, there's no note in the memo as far as how to install it, because like I say, it's very simple. And then we have some other examples here, the ones that can also work if people insist on having like a wire type basket. So what we have here in the name is it says that it's an 18¼ inch cabinet. It requires 2 dual flap stays. And we've said here that it is our standard. It means it is our standard for the wire basket style. And then when we come to the memo here, we see that this unit requires 2 at product number dual flap stays. Do not use use the reversible flap stay, as they are too flimsy. So when in the Richelieu website, it actually calls for a reversible flap stay, but we found that they do not work. So that's kind of been the layout here for these units, and you can see that we have different cabinet sizes. You'll note, if you were to look these up in Richelieu, is that the basket itself is only 15 inches wide. However, we've called for a cabinet width of 18¼ and the reason for that is to fit these dual flap stays. So very important. But it took us a couple of minutes to get these lined up, but now hopefully if we ever sell these in the future, we're going to be able to sell the correct ones that the shop knows how to work with, and we know that they're going to be functional and the customer's going to be happy.